Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to check Facebook account login devices. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Checking your Facebook login devices is crucial for security and peace of mind. You can check Facebook login devices to detect if someone else is accessing your account from an unfamiliar device or location. This could be due to hacking attempts, malware, or someone simply using your login information without your permission. If someone gains unauthorized access, they could steal your personal information, send spam messages, or even use your account for malicious purposes. Checking your login devices can help you catch such activity before it escalates. And if you notice unusual activity early, you can quickly take action to secure your account. To check login devices on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, it is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This opens a new window with various options related to your account settings and privacy preferences. Within the Settings and Privacy screen, tap on Settings. Look for the Accounts Center and tap on See More in Accounts Center. This section includes settings related to your account's security, including passwords and login approvals. Now, tap on Password and Security. After that, tap on Where you're logged in within the Security Checks section. This opens accounts that are connected to your Facebook, like a Facebook account or Instagram account. From here, tap on your Facebook account. This opens a list of all devices currently logged in to your Facebook account. This shows you the device name, location, and time. You can see more details by tapping on a specific device name. Carefully review the list of logged in devices, and from the bottom of the device list, you can log out from specific or all devices by tapping Select Devices to log out. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.